Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube, and today we're talking about Zerks, and we're talking about how to keep those Zerks clean, how to replace old ones, replace busted ones, and make sure that they're always taking grease when you need them to. So the first step is going to be having Zerks on hand. If you need SAE or metric Zerks, we've got a collection on our website that offer straight, 45, and 90-degree angles in any size you might want. You also may need a thread tester to make sure that you know what Zerks you're dealing with so that you can easily replace them. You may also need a 4-way or an easy out tool. These come in two different sizes to deal with different Zerks and make it really easy to replace broken Zerks or functional Zerks that you may just want to swap out for something newer. Lastly, these fitting caps make sure that your Zerks actually take grease by keeping the grime out and making sure that none of that's clogging them or blocking them when you go to grease. So let's zoom in a little bit and we'll give you a rundown of how all these products work together. Alright, so in the back here you've got your LockNLube fitting kits. Your SAE, which has 1/4 28 and 1/8 inch pipe thread fittings in straight, 45, and 90-degree angles. And then you've got your metric kit here that's got everything from an M6 to an M10 in both straight and 90-degree options. Now, if you're going through your machine and you find that certain Zerks aren't taking grease or are broken, and you don't know what the size on those Zerks is, it may be easiest if you've got a grease fitting thread tester. Now you can also check out our video on sort of a shortcut or a cheat way to tell the difference between 1/4 28 and 1/8 inch pipe thread as well. Now to illustrate the example, here we've got 1/8 inch pipe and here we've got metric 10. Now to the naked eye these look identical, but a thread tester is immediately going to show you that the metric 10 fits right in there, whereas your 1/8 inch pipe, which looks the same, isn't going to go in. So that's step one, is knowing what you're working with, and the thread tester can help with that. The next step is actually replacing those Zerks that you want to replace. Now an easy out or a 4-way tool is the best way to do this. Now what you have here is on one end you've got a tap, so if you need to rethread the holes for your Zerks, that's no problem. The other is the extractor, so if you have any broken fittings that you need to take out and you can't get the threaded bit out, you simply screw this in and they'll pull right out. And in the middle, you've got on this side a star that's going to take a variety of different Zerks that is going to work on straight Zerk fittings. And on the other side, you've got a cutout. So if you have a 45 or a 90-degree angle, that's no problem. You can easily screw that in as well. Now I mentioned that these come in two different sizes. You've got your small, which is going to work on your 1/4 28, as well as your metric 6 and metric 8. And then you've got your larger one, which is going to work for an 1/8 inch pipe thread or metric 10. Thanks for watching. Keep those Zerks greased, and good luck with the spring cleaning.